In this class, now we are going to discuss about the preparation of not-for-profit organizations balance sheet. What are the items usually appear in the non-trading organization balance sheet? How it is to deal? I am telling you that these are very, very simple and easiest things. We can do it very well. I make you to recall you back again. I call you to recall you again. Expenditure, two types. Income, two types. Revenue nature as well as capital nature. Revenue expenditure, capital expenditure. Revenue income, capital income. Already we discussed all revenue expenditure and revenue income recorded in the income and expenditure account, expenditure and income side respectively. The capital nature of income and expenditure have to be recorded in the balance sheet. Capital income is to be recorded in the balance sheet liability side, whereas capital expenditure is to be recorded in the balance sheet asset side. Capital expenditure, asset side. Capital income, liability side. That is to be recorded. Keep in mind. Already we discussed about what is capital expenditure, what is capital income. Now we can see one by one how it is to be done and what are the items to be recorded in the balance sheet. This is very, very important. As per plus 2 is concerned, only limited portion is given. We can see one by one. What are the important points to be keep in mind while preparing balance sheet of or balance sheet for not-for-profit organization or non-trading organization. Please keep memory all capital items allowed to be recorded in the balance sheet. Capital expenditure like building bought, furniture bought, sports equipments, and prize fund investment. These to be recorded in the balance sheet asset side. Capital fund, all liabilities like bank loan, okay, these things to be recorded in the liability side of the balance sheet. All specific fund and specific donations recorded in the liability side of balance sheet. We can see one by one. Please hold a minute. See, my dear children, now we are going to discuss about preparation of balance sheet. Some tutorial notes given in your textbook. We can see what are the things are given. Then only we can easily understand the treatment of items as per your plus 2 books. A balance sheet is a statement showing the financial position of an organization. A balance sheet is a statement showing financial position of the organization, which is to be compared with asset side as well as liability side. Assets and liability, we can come to the conclusions. The positive position we have or negative position we have. So financial statement showing various assets in the asset side, various liabilities in the liability side. The preparation or balance sheet of a not-for-profit organization is more or less similar to that of trading concerns. And what way we are preparing balance sheet for trading concern, the similar way we have to prepare balance sheet for not-for-profit organizations. Assets and liabilities as on the last date of accounting period. Last date of accounting period are taken to the balance sheet. liabilities are taken on the left side and assets are right side of the balance sheet. Same way, how we prepare balance sheet for trading organization, the same way or the similar way we have to prepare balance sheet for not-for-profit organizations. The trading organization, we used to write liability side, first item capital. Instead of writing capital, that is we called here the not-for-profit organization capital fund. Capital fund can be found out by preparing opening balance sheet of not-for-profit organizations. So capital fund is also called as general fund or accumulated fund is taken to the liability side. Capital fund is also called as general fund or accumulated fund. Sometimes it might be asked in one word in the public examinations. Capital fund is also called as general fund, underline, or accumulated fund is taken to the liability side. Surplus, here we are saying surplus, the trading organization, we can rightly call as profit. Net profit is be added, like that. Here we are not using the word net profit because it is not for profit organization. So no word profit is be used here. Instead of profit, we can say that surplus. So expenses is less, incomes are more. In the case, we can call as the surplus, the differences. The surplus in the income and expenditure account is added to the capital fund and deficit is subtracted from the capital fund in the balance sheet. If you have a surplus, the surplus to be added. Surplus just like profit. Okay, the income exceed the expenditure. Suppose if it is deficit, the expenditure exceed the income, the deficit is be subtracted from the capital fund in the balance sheet. Okay. If capital fund of the organization is not given in the problems, the capital fund of the organization is not given in the problem, the opening balance sheet should be prepared to ascertain the opening capital fund. I already told you that. So opening balance sheet is prepared to find out the opening capital fund. Opening capital fund. The difference between the total of assets and the total liabilities at the beginning of the year is called opening fund. Okay. Opening capital equal to opening capital means opening capital fund is equal to assets at the beginning minus assets at the end. Okay. Now we can see how it is to be compute the capital fund. One illustration is given. Compute capital fund of Karur Sports Club as on 30th March 2018. 31/3/2018, we are asked to prepare, find out or ascertain capital fund for Karur Social Club. The value of various assets and liabilities given. So it is must for everyone to segregate which is or identify which is asset, which is to be asked as a liability, which is to be termed as a liabilities. Furniture 50,000. Furniture is a asset. Furniture 50,000. Furniture is a asset. You know very well. Building 40,000. You know very well. Building is a asset. Subscription outstanding for 2017 and 18. That is current accounting period. Subscription outstanding for the year 2017 and 18. What is this? This is very, very important. The next item, subscription received. Subscription received in advance for 2018 and 19. பாருங்க, subscription outstanding for 2017 and 18, 10,000 is given. What is the current year? Current year is 2017 and 18. So the closing date is 31/3/2018 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So it is what is the date of opening? 1/4/2017 to 31/3/2018 is the accounting year. For this accounting year, we are asked to calculate or compute the capital fund. So accounting year 2017-18. So subscription outstanding for this accounting year 10,000. Subscription is the income. Still is outstanding. Income receivable. It means that income receivable. Please note it down. Accounting period outstanding subscription is nothing but income receivable. Current year or accounting year, when income is receivable means it is a asset. Subscription outstanding for accounting period or current accounting period is a asset. Very clear? The second one is subscription received in advance for 2018 and 19. That is for next year. So some members paid subscription in advance. This year itself they paid for next year. Actually, they're supposed to pay next year only. But they paid in advance. So one income received in advance. Take a paper notebook and write it. Income received in advance. It's a liability for this accounting year. Income received in advance. It's a liability for this accounting year. So my suggestion is subscription outstanding for this accounting year 2017-18 10,000. So it is a asset. Subscription received in advance for 2018-19. For next year money we received this year, advance money received. One income received in advance, that is a liability. Take it down, it is a liability. This is liability. Now just keep it in mind, please. And loan borrowed. Loan borrowed. Loan or advance. These are liability only. So 10,000 is a liability. Investment 20,000. Investment is a asset. Cash in hand 4,000. Cash at bank 6,000. I hope that you can understand, easily identify the asset as well as liabilities. Furniture, asset. Building, asset. Current year income outstanding, that is subscription outstanding for this accounting year, asset. So income received in advance, subscription received in advance for 2018-19. It is a liability. Loan borrowed, liability. Investment 20,000, asset. Cash in hand 4,000, asset. Cash at bank 6,000, asset. Okay. What are the asset? What are the liability? You know very well that asset. Furniture, asset. Building, asset. Isn't it? Subscription outstanding for this current year, asset. Okay. Subscription, it is called liability. Borrowed loan, liability. Investment, asset. Cash in hand, asset. Cash at bank, asset. Okay. So how many items? By keeping the dot is a asset. Two items got L, it is called liability. Clear? Right? Just keep in mind, or otherwise take a accountancy notebook, you mark it and write it out for your future reference. Okay? Right. See how they given. Building 40,000 is given asset, furniture 50,000 asset, investment 20,000 asset, subscription outstanding for this current year 10,000 asset, cash at bank 6,000 asset, cash in hand 4,000 asset. See, loan borrowed 10,000 liability, subscription received in advance is a liability. So total of asset column is 1,30,000. Here only 50,000. The balancing figure. See this balancing figure. This capital fund is a balancing figure. These are okay. Balancing figure. Balancing figure is a capital fund we are given. Okay. This is the way. I hope that you all may understand everything. While preparing the balance sheet, as at the end of the accounting year, the closing balance of cash and bank should be taken to the asset side in the balance sheet. If there is a bank overdraft, that should be taken to the liability side of the balance sheet. Here no bank overdraft, but it is given loan borrowed. I hope that you might have understand. Okay, what are the points to be considered while preparing the balance sheet? We can see one by one. Okay. Otherwise, we can see the next sum. It is very easy for you. One tutorial notes is given. A trial balance. This is a trial balance can also be prepared for not-for-profit organization by taking various ledger balances available. The total of debit balances will be equal to the total of credit balances. Expenses, losses, assets have debit balances, revenues, gains, liabilities, the other credit balances. Why I read these things? No, sometimes they will ask the one word. This is very, very important. They will ask. Okay, we can see that a comprehensive of the problems. Many information is given in a single sum. How it is to deal. All of you keep in mind. This is very, very, very important. Please keep in mind. Very, very important. Please listen. From the following receipts and payments account of Friends Football Club for the year ending 31st March 2017. So accounting year is 31st March 2017. Means that 16-17 is the accounting period. Don't forget. 1/4/2016 to 31st March 2017 is the accounting period. Okay. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2017 and the balance sheet as on the date. In the books of Friends Football Club, receipts and payments account is given 31st March 2017 to balance brought on. This is opening cash in hand, opening cash at bank. Opening cash in hand, opening cash at bank. Okay? Opening cash in hand, opening cash at bank. For this year, we need closing cash in hand, closing cash at bank. So this informations, this for closing balance sheet. This for closing balance sheet. And this for opening balance sheet. Isn't it? Suppose the capital fund is not given, we have to prepare the opening balance sheet. At the time, opening cash in hand, opening cash at bank will be taken to accounts. Clear? Clear, children? Here, it is a closing cash in hand, closing cash at bank. It is to be taken only for this year, current year balance sheet. Just keep in mind. பாருங்க, to subscription 5,000. Subscription is the income. Okay, this income, what are things included? They will give it the adjustment. Legacies. I told you what is legacies. Gift by will, capital income. Collection for special dinner. Collection for special dinner. Just wait, we can see one by one. Furniture 7,000. They bought furniture, capital expenditure 7,000. Sports materials, not equipments. It is a material. Sports material purchase 800. Special dinner expenses 1,500. Electricity charges 900. Closing cash in hand, closing cash at bank is also given. Various adjustments also given. Various adjustment also given. Same. The club had furniture or rupees 12,000 on 1st April 2016. Ignore depreciation of furniture. So already they have furniture for the value 12,000. Kindly ignore depreciation. But this year they bought furniture. This year they bought furniture for say 7,000. So already the opening value of furniture 12,000. This year they bought furniture for 7,000 is given. So both things be added and keep it in the balance sheet asset side. So already payment side They bought furniture for 7,000 rupees. The opening balance of furniture is 12,000. The sum itself they given no depreciation. So in the balance sheet they would give opening balance of furniture 12,000. This year add purchase furniture 7,000. Total 19,000 given in the balance sheet asset side. Don't forget it. Subscription outstanding for the year 2016 and 17 600. What is accounting period? 2016 and 17. Current year subscription outstanding 600. They are given. Stock of sports material. Stock of sports material 100 rupees given. Capital fund is given. So no need to prepare opening balance sheet because capital fund is given very clearly. So what we have to do here? They given what they given opening cash in hand, cash at bank, not at all necessary. You have to take out. We're going to remove it. Okay, just to prepare this type of T form in the books of Friends Football Club income expenditure account for the year 31st March 2017. Just write it. And below that, balance sheet of Friends Football Club as on 31st March 2017. Half page for income and expenditure account, allot half page for balance sheet. We can directly write one by one what are the items given in the adjustment. Just take all that adjustment, put the tick mark on the recent payments account. Okay, furniture one adjustment is given, subscription one adjustment is given, sports material one adjustment is given, capital fund automatically given. Okay, right? Just what is the first item? After seeing the decision payments account, just please remove opening cash in hand and opening cash at bank. That is to be removed. This is to be removed. It is nullified. Okay. For keys over. The next item is subscription. It's a revenue income. Right, the income and expenditure account, income side, subscription 5,000 is given. Subscription 5,000 is given. So we will write subscription 5,000 in the income side. Just see the adjustment, additional information. What we are given subscription outstanding for the year 2016-17 600. Current year outstanding. Current year income receivable. Okay, so it is to be add a current year item. So add subscription for 2016-17 600 and current year income outstanding is asset. See the asset side. What they given? Subscription outstanding for the year 2016-17 600. Okay, so one is to be added with the subscription and it is asset. So given in the asset side. Okay, I hope that you might understand very properly. What is the next item in the income and expenditure account? Legacies. What is legacies? Is a capital income. I told you many that the gift by will. See the capital side. The given legacy. See legacy is given 6,000 rupees. Clear now? Clear now? Legacy is a capital income. Keep it in the balance sheet. Okay. So legacy is over. Collection for special dinner. See collection for this is a revenue income. One revenue expenditure is also given. Revenue expenditure also is special dinner expenses. So income is 2,000, expenditure is 1,500. What is next income? For the purpose of special dinner, we collect money from members 2,000 and expenditure is 1,500. What is the net result? Like so 2,000 is received, 1,500 is expenses. Remaining gain is only 500. We have the two ways. But expenditure side, two special dinner expenses 1,500. Here collection of income side 2,000 is given. Okay, right? 2,000 income, 1,500 is a expenditure. For keys over, the net result is only 500. That is indirectly its way adjusted. Okay, so expenditure furniture, purchase of furniture 7,000. Say opening balance of furniture is 12,000. Additions purchase 7,000, 19,000 is given. Okay, added and given. Sports material purchase 800 rupees. See, one adjustment is also there. Sports material, stock of sports material 100 rupees. So purchase how much? 800. Stock is how much? 100 rupees. What is the total loss? See, come to the expenditure side. Sports material consumed. Purchase is 800. Closing stock 100, 700 is the expenses. The stock, whenever you come to point stock, it will be written in the asset side, sports material stock 100 rupees. Okay, this is very, very simple, very, very easy. Electricity charges, expenses, given expenditure side. Okay, the closing cash and cash at bank directly comes to the balance sheet. Come to the balance sheet. Balance carried on, closing cash in hand 3,500 is given. $12,000, 1,800. Cash in hand, cash at bank, it is given. Okay. This is very simple. Please go through again. Sum is given. Everything comes the same page. You please go through once again. Please tally it. So continuously attend the classes, then you can understand very easily. If a break comes any times, it won't be available very properly. Please go through it. I hope that it is very, very easy. Clear? Right. Those who are not subscribed the YouTube pages, please subscribe, give the likings.